مرحبا أستاذ.
كيفك جورج؟
تمام أنت؟
الحمد لله، اشتقنا لكم.
نعم أستاذ.
اشتقت لك.
أنا كمان
مش
والله أستاذ.
انا بشوفكم الاربعاء.
شوي وضع هاي لبنان وضع كيف هيدا أستاذ؟ ما بيصير هيك.
ليش؟ شو بقول الوضع؟
ولا عم بيعطوا بنزين ولا بطيخ.
شايف ما عندي بنزين، ما عندك بنزين انت ولا ما في بنزين؟
أنا عندي، بس يعني كل يوم عم بروح الصبح عم بستنى ساعة ساعتين.
وين؟ بعنجر ولا
هون
عاصم؟
عنجر وبرا أستاذ.
يا ان شاء الله يصير في بنزين هيدا الويك.
إن شاء الله.
ما تمشي بالسيارة كتير.
شغلي أستاذ، بدي روح على بستان بدي يجي ما بعرف شو.
ما تصفت كتير جورج.
شكرا أستاذ.
بتوفر بنزين.
إيه.
Good morning صبايا.
Good morning.
How are you today?
We are good. How are you?
Good. عندكم بنزين ولا ما في بنزين؟
رح نعمل زوم اليوم أستاذ.
Yes ليش؟ still في عنا absent.
أوكي.
still تالين وروبي.
روبيج.
اوكي يلا let's start. Can we start? Exercise 10. A factory produces household articles. The table below shows the cost YI, expressed in millions of Lebanese lira. The cost is in millions of Lebanese lira of the production of XI hundreds of articles. So X is in hundreds of articles, while YI is the cost is in millions of Lebanese lira. يلا please دخلوا هدول على الكالكوليتر in order to solve. Okay, in this exercise, give your answer rounded to the nearest 10 minus 3. We need to give the answer rounded to the nearest 10 minus 3. Part 1. Let D be the regression line of Y in terms of X. In an orthonormal system, write the equation of the regression line Y equals BX plus A. Okay, who found the values? Line D of equation Y equals. Who determined B?
1 point.
Yes. 1.214. 1.214x plus how much is A?
0.59.
0.59. Sure.
Yes.
It is not correct, 0.59. Why not correct?
592. 592.
0. Yes, now it is correct. 592. مريم انتبه هون, we have to give to the nearest 10 minus 3. If it is not indicated, we can put two digits after the rest.
Okay.
Part 2. إذا حطيتي 2 بس حطيتي 2 digits بيصير غلط. Estimate the total cost for a production of 220 articles. How to find the total cost for a production of 220 articles? What we have to do to find the cost? The cost is Y. How to find the cost for a production of 220 articles? Yala, I am waiting.
X equals 220 over 100.
Okay, good. Y over 100? Because it is in hundreds. Equals 2.2. Now we replace X by 2.2 in the equation of the line. Y here cost. y equals 1.214 times 2.2 plus 0.592. اوكي، حدا يعطينا الانسر؟
3.262.
3 point how much?
2.
262.
Yes.
262. What's the unit?
Billions Lebanese.
Millions of Lebanese lira. Or 3,262,000 Lebanese lira. Always you have to pay attention for the units. The selling price of an article is 25,000 Lebanese lira, but only 80% of the production of the produced articles are sold. Prove that the revenue is equal to X. What is the rule for the revenue?
Price over unit price times X times unit of X.
Rx, can you repeat please? So Rx equals
Price over unit price
price over unit
times X times unit of X.
over unit price times X times the unit. Is it correct till here or something is missing?
Times 80 over 100.
Times 80 over 100 because 80% are sold. إذا قلنا all the production is sold, we don't multiply by anything. هون قلنا 80% equals. Price is how much? 25,000.
Over million times X
Over million. Yes, times X.
times 100 times 80 over 100.
Times X times 100 times 80 over 100. Hundred. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get 2x. Any questions about the revenue? هذا part
No.
A. Estimate the profit achieved by this factory for production of 220 articles. How to find the profit for a production of 222 articles?
Revenue minus cost.
You have to write it. Profit equal Rx minus Cx equals Rx is 2x minus what is Cx? Yes, what is Cx? Yala Sabaya, what is Cx? Is 1.214x minus 0.592. Now, is it done or not yet?
Not yet.
We get 0.786x minus 0.592. Now we need to find the profit of selling 222 articles. And what we are going to determine? P of what? P of which number?
2.2.
P of 2.2. We get 0.786 into 2.2 minus 0.592. Okay, please, anybody calculate this one?
One point 137.
137. It is done.
No.
Millions of Lebanese lira. In equal 1,137,000 Lebanese lira. In the previous system, consider the line D prime with equation y equal to x. And line D, in the previous system, consider the line D prime with equation y equal to x. D and D prime intersect at a point S. Calculate the abscissa of S first. How to calculate the abscissa of S? How to find the intersection between two lines? Yes? Yes, صبايا. George, كيف نلاقي intersection between two lines? الabscissa of the point of intersection. فبنقول to solve D intersection D prime we solve y equals y. To find the intersection between a curve and a line or between two lines, we solve y equal y. It means that 2x هذا 4D prime equals D is 1.214x plus 0.592. Bring x near to x. 2x minus 1.214x equals 0.592. 592. It means that 0.786, 0.786x equal 0.592. X equal 0.592 over 0.786 equal. How much Bana will be this one?
Zero 0.753.
0.753. Okay, بعدين بيقلنا give an economical interpretation to the value thus obtained. So what is the economical interpretation to the value thus obtained? Yes, Saboya. What is the economical interpretation? The first D represents the cost. The second one represents the revenue. If cost equal revenue, what we call the point of intersection, cost. What's the meaning of cost equal revenue? You forget about economical function? Cost equal revenue.
Break even.
Break even. Okay, no gain, no loss. For a production for a production of how much?
75.
Of 75.3 of 75 items. We say there is a break even. Oh, no gain, no loss. Is a demand equal supply, what we call it, if you remember, if demand equals supply? Demand equals supply, we call it market
equilibrium.
Yes, market equilibrium. How do we call it? Break even. No gain, no loss. Okay, this is all about this exercise and for today. Any questions?
No, sir.
No.
Okay,
No.
for tomorrow, prepare exercise 11.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Same for you.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
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 Bye.